Hi, welcome back. We just looked at what a fillet is. We looked at how a fillet is a tool that rounds over an edge or fills in the interior corner, but again it rounds over. And the next tool we're going to look at is very similar. It's called a chamfer, though. And the chamfer is not going to round over, but it is going to knock the corner off, and it's going to add a plane. So let's go ahead and we're going to kind of flip our part over, and we're going to apply the chamfer tool. All right, so works pretty similar. I'm going to choose chamfer, and now it's going to allow me to set a distance. There are some different modes you can look at here. If we just hover, you'll get names. This is distance. You're actually going to have equal distances. Here you can set a distance and an angle. And here you can set two distances. So instead of two equal distances, we could have different. Let's just start with a basic chamfer right now. It's set to 3/8. So that's going to be 3/8 away from the edge. Alright, that it's going to start the chamfer. If I zoom in, see this distance right here from where the edge was. It's going to go back 3/8. And then it's also going to go down the other direction 3/8. And it's going to be along those lines, those parallel lines, 3/8 this way, 3/8 this way, that it's then going to slice. Let's hit apply and close it so we can get rid of those extra marks. And just slice off the edge so it creates a flat surface. You may have heard that called a bevel, but here it's called a chamfer. So just kind of knocking off that corner. Alright, you can do it on the outside corners. You can also do it on the inside corner. Let's make, how about let's do a smaller size, like a 1/4 inch, 0.25, maybe here, and on the other one. Okay, apply and close. So like that. Now you can play around with the chamfer tool a little bit. Let's try one where we, instead of setting just one distance, where we are allowed to set two distances. So let's choose this. And now you can see my arrows, and I'm being allowed to choose two different distances. As I hit the tab button, I can go between these, and you'll notice, kind of watch, I'm just using on my keyboard the tab button. I'm going to go between these two. It kind of is funny that it moved location on the screen, but also watch my graphic here. Okay, you can see the horizontal arrow was brown, and now it's grayed out, and now we're on this one. So we can, let's change this one to how about 3/8, 0.375. So you can see that the cursor is blinking in 1, and it coincides to the vertical arrow at this point. And I hit tab, and the second measurement is for the horizontal arrow. And so I can adjust it, or I could leave it the same. How about just to make it change, I'll make it 1/10, and then I'll accept that. And so instead of that chamfer looking symmetrical top to bottom, you can see it's at a different angle. Okay, so that's the chamfer tool. Play around with it, see what little features you can add to create chamfers, and have fun with that.